Traditional window styles remain highly practical for residential window installation Baytown Heights TX projects in family homes throughout the community. Single-hung window replacement Baytown Heights, double-hung window replacement Baytown Heights TX, and double-hung replacement windows Baytown Heights Texas homes are frequently selected for their easy function, timeless design, and strong compatibility with many Baytown Heights home layouts. Older properties benefit from tailored replacement windows for older homes Baytown Heights, Texas that preserve character while improving performance. Custom window replacement Baytown Heights TX, window frame replacement Baytown Heights, and window frame and sash replacement Baytown Heights, Texas are ideal for aging houses that need structural upgrades, better insulation, and a cleaner exterior appearance without losing their original style. Energy savings remain a top reason homeowners choose energy-efficient windows Baytown Heights for daily comfort and lower utility bills. Energy-efficient window replacement Baytown Heights TX, high-efficiency replacement windows and energy-saving window upgrades are popular for reducing heat transfer, improving indoor temperatures, and helping families get more from every home improvement dollar. Vinyl products continue to lead the market because vinyl window replacement Baytown Heights TX offers durability, affordability, and easy maintenance. Many homeowners search for vinyl replacement windows Baytown Heights Texas, 77520, modern replacement windows Baytown Heights TX, and affordable window replacement Baytown Heights when they want strong value, clean lines, and dependable performance in the Baytown Heights TX area. Broken glass and damaged units should be addressed quickly with broken window replacement Baytown Heights TX for safety and efficiency. Broken home window replacement Baytown Heights TX, same-day window replacement Baytown Heights TX, and old window removal and replacement Baytown Heights Texas are essential services when windows crack, leak, stick, or fail after storms, wear, or accidental impact. Double-pane options are in high demand because double-pane window replacement Baytown Heights offers better insulation and noise reduction for busy residential neighborhoods. Homeowners often request double-pane window replacement Baytown Heights near Baytown, insulated glass window replacement Baytown Heights TX, and energy-efficient window replacement in Baytown Heights, Texas to create a quieter, more comfortable home environment. Style upgrades give homes a fresh appearance through sliding window replacement Baytown Heights and casement window replacement Baytown Heights TX. Sliding glass window replacement Baytown Heights Texas, casement window installers Baytown Heights TX, and picture window installation Baytown Heights Texas allow homeowners to choose better airflow, improved views, and modern aesthetics that fit both classic and updated houses in Baytown Heights.